When you visit the COVID-19 Drive-Up testing site at WHG, you can rest assured you are receiving world-class care from a team that uses the best testing methods available, giving you the most accurate results. Each site is led by a board-certified family nurse practitioner. That means that during your visit, you have a team of knowledgeable, safe, and experienced healthcare providers conducting and monitoring the testing process from start to finish. During your visit, you will have 2 tests completed. The first test is a blood draw that will tell us if you already had COVID-19. The next test at the WHG Drive-Up COVID-19 testing site is the nasal swab. This test is so important because it can tell us if you have an active COVID-19 infection right now. Many people don't have any symptoms of COVID-19 at all. Sometimes the symptoms of COVID-19 are very mild. So mild, in fact, that you may have thought you had allergies or a cold or even the stomach flu. But what if that cold was actually COVID-19? If it is, you could still pass the virus on to others, and those people, your family and friends, your coworkers, your community, might not be as lucky as you and may have more severe symptoms of COVID-19. They might be hospitalized. They could, if they get sick enough, even die. While there is still much to learn about this new virus, researchers believe that when your body is exposed to COVID-19, you will eventually develop an antibody to the virus. Scientists think that this antibody appears in the blood anywhere from 2 to 14 days after exposure. Since this is a new virus, we don't know how long the antibody stays in your system, but getting your blood drawn is the first step in discovering the way this virus works. It's important to know that if your blood test shows you have already had COVID-19, please continue to follow all social distancing guidelines, wash your hands frequently, and wear a mask when you're out of your home. Researchers think that people who have already had COVID-19 are much less likely to develop the virus a second time, but until we know more about the way the virus works, no one can guarantee that you won't get sick again. So continue to do your part by staying 6 feet away from others when outside your home, washing your hands frequently and thoroughly, and always wearing a mask or other face covering when out of your home. If your blood test shows that you do not have the antibody, it likely means that you have not been exposed to COVID-19. If your swab is negative, we also know you probably don't have the virus and could still contract COVID-19 if you are exposed in the future. If your nasal swab shows that you are positive for COVID-19, we know that getting the news you have a virus can make you anxious or even afraid. That's why one of our board-certified family nurse practitioners will contact you directly and answer any questions you may have. They will also give you recommendations and guidance on how to prevent the spread of the disease to your family and your community, and provide any additional follow-up you might need through a telemedicine visit. At WHG, we want you to have all of the latest and most accurate information possible. We care about you, we care about your family, and we care about our community. Together, we will help flatten the curve and stop the spread of COVID-19.